Hi boys and girls, today we're going to talk about place value tens and one blocks. So let's write your name at the top. And then what we're going to do is we're going to count how many tens and how many ones. So this is the tens and these are the ones. So how many sticks of 10 do you see? 1. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I have a 1 and a 5, what number is that? 15. Good. Okay, how many 10 blocks? 1. How many 1 cubes? 1. So what number is that? 11. Okay, on the next one, how many sticks of 10? There's 1. Let's count the cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I have 1 10 and 8 ones, I have 18. See, it's just as simple as counting. On the next one, I have 1 stick of 10, and then let's count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. So I have 1 10 and 6 ones, that's 16. Now this next one can be a bit tricky, so we're going to take a look at it. How many sticks of 10 do you see this time? I see 2. Do we have any ones? Nope. So if I counted by tens, 10, 20, what number is that? It's 20. So even though it seems tricky, it's not. You got it. Okay, last one. 1 stick of 10, and how many ones? 1, 2, 3. 3. What number is that? 13. Very good. Now on the back side, we're going to do the opposite of what we were just doing, and you get to draw the tens and the ones. So we're going to draw, it tells me right here, 1 stick of ones and then 3 ones. So I'm going to do it in 2 colors so you can see, but you don't have to do it in 2 colors. You can just use your pencil. So I draw 1 stick of 10, and then I draw 3 ones like this. And that's 13. On the next one, 1 stick of 10, and how many ones? I'm going to draw 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's going to be 16. On the next one, I'm going to draw how many sticks of 1? Good, I'm going to draw 1. And then how many ones will I draw? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's showing me 14. Okay, we've got 3 more, so let's do 1 stick of 10. And then how many ones does it say? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, good. We're almost there. How many sticks of 1? Just 1. How many ones? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. And then on the last one, how many sticks of 10? Oh, look, it says 2. So I'm going to draw 1 and 2. How many ones do I need to draw? It says 0. So that's 20 because it's 2 sticks of 10 and no ones. So it's 20. All right, boys and girls, great job on your work today. Go ahead and turn it in and do what your teacher has you do next.